how to create a Trust Wallet account. So if you want to create a Trust Wallet account, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Trust Wallet registration. And after that, here on the first search, you will have Trust Wallet sign up, or you can also go for the Trust Wallet website, which is trustwallet.com. You can go for the first search. And now to create your account, here you need to enter your email address on this first blank, and then you need to enter your username on the next blank. And after that, here you need to enter your password. So make sure to create a strong password with at least 10 characters. And after entering your password, and after entering all of your information, simply click on create your account. And that's it. Now you need to open up your mail so that you can activate your account. So simply open up your Gmail, which you have used to create the account. And here you will have this confirm your new account. Simply click on this link. And here, click here to activate your account. Simply click on that. And that's it. Your new account is confirmed and you will be redirected to the home page. So that's it. That's how you create your Trust Wallet account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.